Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from REVELL. This is the P-47D Razorback. So you can see here on the front cover a large illustration. And you can see this is from the Lone Eagle series. Even though there's two items on the illustration, only has parts for one. And you can see here in this corner, 132 scale. So kind of interesting there. If we look on the sides, you can see here a little bit more details in different languages. Some actual stock photos of the finished model with decals applied. Similarly, on the ends, this is number 4554. On this side, more photos, more information in different languages. And this is from 1990, and there's a barcode. And similar end piece there, plain back or bottom. So go ahead and open this. See, here's our instructions. Some more information there on painting and kind of your basic schematic style, stepwise through. Parts are actually labeled in text. And then continuing, you have some paint suggestions there as well after the final assembly. Go ahead and take a look at the pieces themselves. This is the fuselage itself. It's quite large. Let's see if I can get a measurement of it. Just as unassembled, from here to here is over 12 inches, about 12 and a quarter. So if you continue with the hub and propeller, it'll be even longer. Looks like one of the wings has been started. Give an idea of the rivet detail right there. They are pretty strong rivets. You can actually see here a little bit of the fluctuation in the mold density right there. It's kind of interesting. This piece has a different mold, kind of a shadow there. Likewise, on this piece, you can see here's some interesting mold flow of the plastic itself. Here's the other fuselage, similar. You can see there how the plastic flowed through the mold there. Losing some small parts there. This one actually looks like the gauge area was started with flat black. These are the size of the propeller, drop tanks, pistons, the other wing itself. To give you a look on the interior of the wing. Cockpit. Look at that, it's entangled. So there's your pilot figure. And more detail on the back of the pilot and the seat. This is actually a piece stuck into there. See if we can carefully dislodge that. Other control surfaces, other pieces there for cowling, droppable items, more piston pieces there. Here's a card to join the REVELL Air Force, so other models, and a free catalog at the time. Here's the clear pieces for canopy. And see if we can carefully get this off the bottom of the box here. These are the decals, your instructions, and the decal sheet itself. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Keep this from getting scratched. Okay, so little informational card. I'm just going to move these small pieces off to the side for now. Decal sheet, the other trees. Of course, it's not going to go back as flat as we would like. Try. Okay, so taking a quick look at something from REVELL. This is the P-47D Razorback in 132 scale. It's kind of interesting. From the Lone Eagles series. This has been another show and tell or unboxing video. Feel free to check out other videos on the channel. We also do a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.